So what's up, guys? Traveling Eddie here, and we're going beaching. We're going places. We're going to the beach. We are at the beach. Hola, damas y caballeros. Eddie Viajero aquí y vamos a explorar. Estamos playando. Estamos en la playa. Estamos en la área de San Pancho. We are in the area called San Pancho. Sayulita is on the other side of that cliff, going way beyond that. Sayulita está al otro lado de ese peñasco allá, y mucho más allá otro peñasco hacia el fondo, where you see at the end over there, far end. That's where Sayulita is. It's a good hour and something walk from there to here. Es como una hora y algo desde allá que caminando. You can do the walk and go to a little jungle y pasar por una selvilla. So we're here at the ocean and I'm going to go into the water. Estamos aquí en el mar y me voy a meter en el agua. I put on my sunblock, 50 SPF. Me puse mi bloqueador de 50 protección, so I don't get that burned up, para que no me queme tanto por esta piel tan blanca que tengo todavía por aquí, with this white skin that I still have, part that never gets any sun, la parte que nunca recibe sol. So let's go with the GoPro. Vamos con la GoPro para el agua. I got the GoPro, so let's go. Waterproof, baby. A prueba de agua. I hope. Espero que sí. It has worked before. Ha funcionado antes. Many times. Whoa, this is nice. Oh, qué bueno. Wow. How was that? ¿Cómo estuvo esa? Whoa, look at that big wave. Mira esa. Wow, look at that big wave. Wow. There we go. Qué bien, qué chido. Oh, look at more big waves. Más grande. I'm loving it. Are you loving it? Me está encantando. I love this. I'm loving it. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel down below. It's free. Si no están suscritos al canal, suscríbanse ahí abajo. Dele like. Oh, give it a like. Dele like. It gets out to more people. Dele like para que llegue más gente. ¡Wepa! ¡Hey! Puerto Vallarta's down that way. Puerto Vallarta queda por allá. And remember to leave comments, dejen comentarios down below. And hit the notification bell icon for more notifications. Dele clic a la campanita para notificaciones. Anyway, too much information. Demasiada información. Ah, this is nice. The vibe here is good. It's very relaxed. There are not that many people. This is November 2021. And this is pretty mellow. Esta vibra de aquí es muy relajada, hay muy poca gente y eso es bueno si no quiere tanta gente. Uy, there we go, aquí en noviembre de 2021. Nice. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, I thought it stopped filming. You had dejado de filmar, but it's still going. It looked like it was. Parecía que no, pero okay. It's good, it's good. All right, I'm trying to get out of the sand. Estoy tratando de salir de aquí, pero no puedo. All right. Stay tuned for more videos. Estén sintonizados para más videos. Bye bye.